I have the digger here. Don't know if you can see all the crows. Hundreds of them, but we just had two big hawks. So we did. And these guys came from nowhere, man, and just bombarded them by the time I'll be it. Scattered everywhere, there's that many I can't see. But my birds are out. No damages. I've only got 3 wee young'uns. A couple in. And I've got up in that end roof up there. I've got about 6 or 7 birds. But right now, all these crows seem to be helping me out, which I've needed. I'm just going to let my wee guys, they're going away. I'm just going to let my wee guys just chill, get their nerves back. Cameras all over the place. Just chill, get their nerves back. It was the guns that was in the sky, the hawk went for, because obviously me and the dog are here, so we were alright in the garden. This deer up there, wee champ, that's turned out Philip and a wee ugly raggedy squab, that's turned out a beautiful wee bird. Just turned in the zoom. And Freddie. I'm going inside the hut, there's a couple in here, they don't like the iPad, I have noticed that. That was the 2 baby white birds. Look at them now on perches. That was one of the wee bronze babies. It's been in the sky a couple of times. That's his nest mate. And here is the 2 wee chicks and 2 eggs. I've still got 2 eggs after the big white boy now, waiting to hatch. Big Shadow, he hates me. Right, right, my son. Still 2 eggs there. My wee Saddleback is the same as its dad. So it is. There we go. Same as his dad. The black down the back, the black Saddleback down the back. So that's them through me. A gingery one. And a black one. We'll wait and see if it's a boy or a girl. I'm not really sure yet. As you know, it takes a wee while till they get older. And as you can see, one of my wee whitings is getting fed now. There's 2 there, but I'm not disturbing them because they're getting fed. But everything's doing grand. Quickly get back outside. I know I've got the crow's baby sitting. Oh. Don't know if you got that on my fingers. That'd have been good action to Freddie flying ever. That's Flame, that's the other Saddleback baby next to Freddie there that just flew in. See what I mean? That's Martin's got the wee red Saddleback. That's my shaking can just been knocked down. You seen it there when it tumped down. So, the sunrise my alien. The birds are all doing great. Just a wee quick hello and big shout out to everybody, and let's hope we can keep these hawks. We all get excited when it's a good day, but the birds seem to ken themselves, they're no daft. Starting to pick it up, they sit and they look at the sky and they're more reluctant to come in out. But that's it for Do Girl today. Just a wee catch up. Thanks folks.